Bodycut, and we're currently at the K79 Exchange at in Bangkok, and the exchange rate here is 45 baht to the pound. Now in the UK before I left it was 42.58 bahts to the pound. When I arrived at Suvarnabhumi Airport it was 42.17 baht to the pound. But downstairs at the airport rail it was 45.05 bahts to the pound. Now if you exchange denominations of £50 notes, you get a better rate. So here at the K79 you get 45.1 baht to the pound, as opposed to 45 bahts to the pound if you're changing £20 notes. So yeah, it's definitely better to take your money with you and exchange it here, just big enough for you for the first day of your travel. Right, peace people, see you.